Ke monate 100%.
Ustele.
Bona ke sharpo. If you are with a man in the morning, tshwanetse a offer your breakfast. Nna ke feel okare he ke re bola lona sampe tšhelete 100.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Bukai, so you move from Bukai. Have you ever dated a broke guy?
Yes. Ka bona gore mara ke ka flopa. What am I doing? I'm paid 200. Like, what's that?
Would you date a broke guy now?
No, I can't. I guess kon ho dwela le motho a senang tšhelete, my brother. No. No.
Karabo. Okay, just tell me. But the type of how would say ke batho ba jwang because of now before ke fitla mo e loreng kere why ke o le goja. Ke taba gore when you do there must be a payment.
Yes, there must be a payment or you must spoil me at least nyana on tabise ntsiya unkise ka moguchi nyana on tabise. Even if you don't give me money, just buy me something expensive. Yeah, ha gore ke kono taba ke sa filo kare awa mara ile you know those kind of things. No.
Khane o thomile o tšwela ka mengwe
Ke thomile jala ke na le 17. Oh, abama 6K, 5K, at least do better, not 2K. You swap. Oh, and I like the life, well. Ke rata lifestyle eo because of batho ba ke dilang le bona ba rata lifestyle eo. Wa ntlhaloganya?
Serious? Yeah.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kunenvumbatanele trend akulapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana leligama layo kunkarabo beka ku podcast ke ukarabo whereby she was being interviewed and bambude angendzaba ayemali wakhuluma njena ukuthi if avakashele a guy after nje ihlofihlofu ekuseni uguy needs to give her at least boma 6K nyana. What is just the appreciation money or kudela ukutheni, and she's saying ukuthi she's not selling ikhememe but funa umnike una yakhona abalekile, and she further said ukuthi if ungakhona at least kumnika maybe 6K manje umhambise umkhiphe imisebo Gucci or yomthengela like into leti nice or like very expensive stuff or hayi boma 2K uthi nje bo 2K no uthi if you don't give her money ekuseni after ihlofihlofu feel ngazuthi like she was being raped. At least guys eKarabi alikhuluma iqiniso. Some girls abakutsheli hamba naye girl or umdate and they are ukuvakashela ekuseni udemand imali, and that time when I didn't even know ukuthi ekuseni girl iyofuna samba. We've had like a lot of stories whereby umuntu ekuseni uvuke watatatela waboleka imali just because girl ekuseni uthe nje mina ngihambe lana wakanginike imali, if ngihamba lana just nokuthi mangisokwala ngiyokubophisa and uyobhadla ejele. We all know how as serious i-grape is. Vele nje ungaya bangakurepota ukuthi ugrapile just nokuthi titokukhalela. Also people are just saying ukuthi we should be careful ngalamantombazane lawa as men kufanele aniqaphele because nitokhokha, because kunamantombazane la athengisako but akayibeki indzaba yayiqaqe ukuthi yiphela mina ngiyathengisa nekuseni ngidodzinga like a certain amount of money. Wena uyathatha umuntu ohamba naye ekuseni awunamali awuna next, you didn't even know ukuthi lo muntu lona uyofuna imali, umuntu akutshela ukuthi ngifuna 6K la sandleni or else wena njena uyokhalela buzankosi. So with ukarabo people are saying ukuthi gele uyathengisa nje wena vele kubeka iqaqe ukuthi wena you just selling ikhememe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.